All right, so back out here on day 2 of project Let's Go Drag Racing with the Grand National, and I'm sacrificing the battery out of one of my other projects because yeah, it needed a battery. You guys seen that. So we're gonna steal this battery, throw it in there, and see if we can get it running. I found some instructions on the map translator. Just look at how they put the battery in here. Got my little helper out here today. So, you know, we got the tie down. Of course, we got this useless piece of garbage in the way. Anyhow, got the good old GM side post action. I'm gonna show you a trick that I do on these when we put the other battery in here. Hopefully it fits. You get rid of these tight bolts, and it gives you, they work better. Gives you something if you ever got to jump it off that works a lot better than that. Alright, just getting this battery strapped down. Got my SI-FI approved. This is all track legal. Battery hold down. You can pick these up at Summit or Jegs. It's real nice. Alright, so the trick on these GM side posts, strip all this bull crap off. The thread pitch in these, it's a 3/8 bolt. You run your nut up on there, get one about that long. Okay? So we're gonna strip this off. Make sure you cut yourself at least twice. Damn. Well, they put this one in there. Alright, there's that one. So, bring this over here. Make sure you put the black on the negative. That's that one.
Where is that water from?
That's the juice that's set over there from yesterday. Make sure you get down in there and just, you know, cross-threaded or torqued. Tight is tight. So that feels about right there. Start running her home with a power tool. We got enough. Oh, look at that. There we go. There we go. Now we're doing things. Struggle Street.
Shit, that's hot.
So then you bottom the bolt out in there. And once the bolt is bottomed out, then you can tighten the nut up. and it leaves you a nice stud sticking out for jumping. It also leaves you plenty of space if you got to stack stuff on the battery. And these are not gonna, these things round off, they corrode, they do all kind of stupid stuff. Throw those in the trash. Don't go too crazy, you know, strip out your battery. All right, same song, second verse. Gotta strip the hot.
All right, guys. Moment of truth. Boom.
So the battery fixed the no start issue. Fires right up now, which is awesome. Had to do a little bit of, you know, stuff, but this is the final result on what I was talking about. This is like a, I feel like a tip for these GM side post type batteries. Just 3/8 bolt nut, and you can lock your stuff down. Also have one more piece of the puzzle. One second. So these showed up today. This guy here. So we can stick this, you know, right about there, and then, you know, spray, I don't know, as much as it takes to go sevens. I do got a new fuel pump on the way. Hopefully it gets here before Friday. I drove the car around some last night, and it acted like the fuel pump, like it was losing fuel pressure once it got hot. I have a colder thermostat. I also got a colder set of plugs. We might go ahead and do an oil change, and just for precautionary measure, and try to get this thing into the sevens. Stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully we can get you guys a video up tomorrow as well.